Discover the 4 daily drinks of the world's longest living people. In the quest for longevity and optimal health, we often look to the habits and practices of those who have achieved remarkable longevity. One intriguing aspect of their lifestyle is the selection of daily drinks they consume. These beverages, cherished by the world's longest living people, are believed to contribute to their well-being and vitality. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 4 of these traditional drinks, their benefits, and how to incorporate them into our daily routine for enhanced health and longevity. 1. Green tea. Green tea is a staple in the diets of many long-living populations, such as the Okinawans of Japan. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, green tea offers numerous health benefits, including boosting metabolism, promoting heart health, and supporting brain function. Learn how to properly brew green tea and enjoy its refreshing taste while reaping its remarkable health benefits. 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, consumed by people in various cultures worldwide, has been recognized for its potential to lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Rich in vitamin C and other beneficial compounds, this vibrant red tea also offers a refreshing and tangy flavor. Discover the brewing techniques and variations of hibiscus tea to incorporate it into your daily routine. 3. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or turmeric latte, is a beloved beverage in many Asian cultures. The key ingredient, turmeric, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Enjoyed for its immune-boosting properties, turmeric milk is also believed to support joint health and improve digestion. Explore different recipes and variations of turmeric milk to experience its delicious flavor and health benefits. 4. Kombucha. Kombucha, a fermented tea beverage, has gained popularity in recent years due to its probiotic content and potential health benefits. The fermentation process creates a tangy and effervescent drink that can aid in digestion, support gut health, and boost the immune system. Learn about the brewing process and discover the wide range of flavors and combinations available for this beneficial drink. Conclusion. Incorporating these 4 drinks into your daily routine can provide a range of health benefits, from improving heart health and boosting immunity to reducing inflammation and promoting longevity. Embrace the wisdom of the world's longest living people by embracing these traditional beverages and enjoying their remarkable flavors and benefits. Cheers to a healthier and more vibrant life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.